Yes, sir. Welcome to APS, sir.
Sorry, I am a little late.
Sir, Mrs. Govind, she is
Good
not
morning,
well.
sir. Welcome to APS Bolaram. I am Akanksha Das, the junior captain.
Thank you, Akanksha. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. I am Johan Mathi, the junior school captain.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest has arrived.
Morning,
He
sir.
is
Welcome.
Army took over as General Officer Commander Area, Secunderabad in September. Spanning several decades, he has commanded a field regiment and has been the commander of an artillery brigade. He has also delegated numerous operational and important administrative appointments, including MGIC administration, Headquarters Central Command, and has also represented our nation in the United Nations Peacekeeping Force at Lebanon. We welcome you, sir.
We also extend a very warm welcome to our chairman, Brigadier Sarabjit Singh, Commandant, Wani and Center, and all other distinguished guests who have joined us this morning to pay adieu to our beloved patron, Major General R.K. Singh, General Officer Commanding Telangana and Andhra Saveria. To begin today's program, may we invite our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Smita Govind, to present the welcome address.
Very good morning to respected patron, other dignitaries, teachers and my dear students. As we all know that today we are gathered here to bid farewell to our patron, Major General R.K. Singh, General Officer Commanding Telangana and Andhra Saveria. Our chief guest does not require any introduction as he is well recognized figure in our school system. During the COVID time, when every single person was surrendering himself in front of distress challenges, the entire APSP family has smoothly sailed through this difficult journey. It could not have been possible without the effective guidance and leadership of our patron. It was only due to our patron's far-sightedness that today we have full internet connectivity in all classrooms, few more additions in the infrastructure like new classrooms, staff rooms, washrooms, etc., which have been developed in that time frame when our teachers and students were busy on the online teaching platform. So today we are all geared up to welcome our students in the physical mode. Thank you, sir, for your consistent support and guidance. One of the greatest lessons you have shown us is your empathetic nature to all of us. Therefore, you earn the trust and the respect of all who come into contact with you. You created a stress-free environment and tried your best to improve the quality of faculty and encourage their development through education and research. I'm heartened to share that with your broadened perspectives, an inclusive and caring school culture is in existence at APS Bolaram. We are grateful to you, sir, for accepting our invitation and sparing your valuable time. With all my heart and with the blessings of all present here, I wish our patron, Major General R.K. Singh, along with his family, a contented and joyful next innings. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.
Music, as they say, is the universal language of mankind. It is the language of the soul and can express much more than mere words. So here we have our school band, Glitz Green, Rise and Shine, with their musical ensemble. That was a scintillating performance.
We meet, we part, and we meet again. History repeats itself while trends are back in fashion. Life is full of cycles, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how it is. So now we have the students of Army Public School Bolal with a special dance retreat. Jeena इसी का नाम है.
Oh, कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम ओ बेटा जी किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम ओ बेटा जी बड़ी अकल से बेटा निकले घर से एक्टर होने बाहर किस्मत से कोई लिखे बर्तन धोने अरे भाई लिखे बर्तन धोने ओ बेटा जी मेरे का मजा कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम ओ बेटा जी अरे ओ बापू जी किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम ओ बेटा जी
मुड़ मुड़ के न देख 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 मुड़ मुड़ के जिंदगानी के सफर में तू अकेला भी नहीं है हम भी तेरे हम सफर है जिंदगानी के सफर में तू अकेला ही नहीं है हम भी तेरे हम सफर में
Ina mina dika, dai dame dika, maka naka naka, chika pika dika. Ina mina dika dika dai dame dika, maka naka dika pika dola dika, ram pam poch, ram pam poch. दिल में चूम है कोई लेने वाला ऐसे वैसे को नहीं लेने वाला सूरतिया हंसी हो उमरिया जमा हो कोई भी मुझे देखे तो बस ये गुमा हो यही तो है वो किसी मुस्कुराहट रोते हुए किसी का दर्द मिल सके भुले किसी के वास्ते तेरे दिल में जान जीना इसी का नाम है आना पीछे 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 है फिर भी यारों पीछे हम अमीर है मुझे तो प्यार के लिए जिंदगी जले बाहर के लिए किसी को ना हो हमें तो है जुदा जीना इसी का नाम है
जो से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुरा दो हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घुमरा दो बाय 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 बाय।
Life in general, you commanded hot and cold. Never look back, but charged ahead to conquer the dreams high and bold. With a rhythm in your heart and the stride of a warrior, you have been a champion in every sphere. May the days ahead be peaceful and mirthful, cherishing every moment with good cheer.
मुड़ के न
Thank you, friends. That was truly enthralling.
Project initiated by the Government of India to encourage innovation amongst the school children. May we now request our beloved patron, Major General R.K. Singh, General Officer Commanding Telangana and Andhra Sub-Area, to kindly step onto the dais and felicitate some of our extraordinary inventors in ATL.
Car and an automatic plant watering system. Congratulations, Arjun and Shona. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our young stars.
Now, we'd like to invite the inventors of the Smart Street Light and Automatic Social Distancing Detector, Gyan Prakash Lenka and Ojas Trika, both from Class 8. Congratulations, Gyan and Ojas Trika.
Yes.
Let's put our hands together for the budding inventors.
Next on stage, we would like to invite V. Divya Sindhu, Class 9, created the APSD Student Corner and the Sahaya Gap. Congratulations, Divya. A huge round of applause for a junior web designer, please.
Next, we invite Aditi Nehal of Class 8, the inventor of the fire alarm sensor and 3D model using 3D printer. Congratulations, Nehal! Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Nehal, please.
We would like to now invite Samrat Singh of Class 12 who invented an ultrasound obstacle detector UOD for the blind and a wireless firecracker igniter. Congratulations, Samrat. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Samrat Singh.
Last but not the least, we'd like to invite the inventor of the obstacle avoider and the burglar alarm, Hoshan Iyengar. Congratulations, Hoshan! Let's put our hands together for Hoshan and all our school's incredible inventors.
May we also request you, sir, to hand over a small token of appreciation to the participants of today's program. We now invite the participants of today's programs to come onto the dais and receive their prizes as we call out. First on stage, we would like to call upon our school band, Blitzkrieg, Rise and Shine.
Oh, there is some app, this new app you are practicing here online. Somebody playing on band in a crowd and somebody playing something else. So that is together. Wonderful, excellent. Well done. And the name, who's chosen the name?
That is the teacher, the teacher.
Oh, Blitzkrieg. Oh, Blitzkrieg. Oh, great. Wonderful.
Yes.
Congratulations, Blitzkrieg.
Done.
Very nice. Very nice. All of you, individually. Each one of you were very much a part of. The best part was that each of one of you enjoyed yourself. Oh, what a wonderful talent you got. Very nice. And you were enjoying the maximum. Very nice. Even the you were playing wonderful. You were also playing wonderful. Oh, great tabla. Very nice. And the flute. Yeah, wonderful flute. Both the flute. Very nice. And you were enjoying excellent. Wonderful.
He's a very naughty boy. He keeps fighting with me.
Very nice. And keyboard.
Next on stage, we would like to call upon the welcome dance participants.
Where did they get these dresses from?
This is, I think, they married.
Oh, school. Very nice. And he's looking like a, there was an actor, Raj Kapoor kind of.
Ma'am.
Is everyone, I hope no one is getting headed. You may come ahead.
Congratulations!
Well done. Very well done. Wonderful.
In attendance.
I saw all of them.
Yes,
Very
yes.
nice. Congratulations. Who will hold this?
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Yes.
Call upon the NCC team. Now, the MC team.
Very nice. Good sir. What's next?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not yet.
Excuse me. Done.
Words are not enough to show our appreciation to you, sir, for the constant support, guidance, and encouragement you have accorded us. May we now request our principal ma'am, Mrs. Smita Govind, to hand over a small token of remembrance of this glorious association, a memento and a book of memorable moments to name it in our history, to the office of Army, May we also
Very good morning to all the distinguished guests gathered here this morning, Chairman, Dr. Sarabjit, Principal Ma'am, staff, and students of Army Public School, Kolara. You know, when you walk into APS Kolara, you only see the best school, APS in the whole country. And you have boldly announced it for now so many years. Why only best APS in the country? It's the best school in the country. Great goal. Really privileged to be amongst you. This is amongst the elite that we are present here. Let me begin by congratulating all the participants of today's program as well as the young achievers. Your talent and spirit, both in academics and in extracurriculars, never ceases to amaze me. The job which was done by, right from here, the compares, and the kind of band performance and orchestra. I was just asking these people how did you manage to work it out in the pandemic? There are these new apps which have come up where somebody plays a percussion, somebody plays drums or pedals, and you can still fuse it. So I was thinking possibly they have done that, to have pulled off a show like this with hardly any notice. Wonderful performance. And these children, I don't know how many of them, their grandfathers and grandmothers, if they were here, they would have loved the kind of songs on which they did dance. It took me back to those wonderful years, and I must compliment the teacher who held them with the kind of dresses. These were all those 60s theme, which was so wonderfully displayed by. Kudos to your exuberant participation. I see in your performance generous doses of dedication, hard work, and an unremitting devotion to the things you want to see happen. I must also congratulate the tireless efforts of your mentors in motivating you. As they say, a school is only as good as its best teachers. And looking at the record of the school's performance in all spheres, let alone academics, the last 2 years that I have been here, the quality of mentors at APS Bolaram is really commendable. All of you here and those who are indeed salute all of you, and through you to those people who are not present for the function of today. I request you to kindly convey my sincere appreciation to all of them, the faculty members, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, administrative staff. What a wonderful job that you people have done, which has made us hold our head high. Here, I laud your efforts in identifying the skills of your mentees, encouraging them to master what they are good at, and thus igniting young minds into greater pursuits, rather than just filling them up with theoretical knowledge. These are not mere words that I say. You will realize, and I'm just wondering, what happens to the children who study in such good schools? I can assure you, or else I'll rephrase my sentence which I was about to make. Tell me, we have 9th class student here? 9th class? Okay. 10th class anyone? 11th class anyone? And 12th class? Okay. So I'll put this question to 9th and above student. Let us say in 12th class, a student of APS Bolaram does miserably in his 12th board exams. And when I use miserably, I am using the template and standard of APS Bolaram. And he scores 65% marks. And that child, is his future doomed? Can anyone answer this question? A child, 12th standard board exams, by APS Bolaram standards, has done miserably. A person in APS Bolaram scoring 12th standard 65% is bad, no? It is bad or good? During our time it used to be good. We were there, it used to be good. But during these times it is bad? Or should I bring it lower? It is bad, 65%? None of you aiming for 65%? Okay. Now my question is, tell me, a APS Bolaram student unfortunately gets 65% in board exams. How many of you feel with conviction his future is doomed? Kindly rise. Anyone who feels his future is doomed. No one. My God. Look at this. Where does this confidence come from? How has this confidence come in you that after graduating 12th standard I score 65% and my future is not good? How has this confidence come in? Yeah, somebody is saying, somebody is talking. Anyone who can say, yeah, please.
So because our teachers teach us very well and we're trained not just in academics but in other aspects as well.
So good. So nice, excellent, wonderful. You know, this school that you have been part of is the best school of the country. It has not only taught you to score marks, theoretical marks, it has brought you up in an ecosystem where your values have been nurtured. You have been developed as a person who will face the next century where India will sit on the high table of the Committee of Nations. You will be citizens of the developed country and not the underdeveloped and developing country that we have gone through. So this is where your generation is going to take this country. And your value system will ensure that even though theoretically in those physics, chemistry, maths you have possibly scored less and you ended up with 65%, but the passion that you follow with your good value system will take you places. You heard have to give you examples of how many school dropouts have ended up becoming topmost scientists, topmost billionaires, currently living in this age. So while you pursue your passion and support your teachers and your parents to do well academically, theoretically, please remember marks is just one of the indicators of a number of other factors which goes to make you the persona that you are going to become 20 years down the line. And I see a very, very bright future for each and every student who is fortunate here to be in APS Bolaram. When I say all this, I would like to commend your principal, Mrs. Smita Govind, for her exemplary leadership skills. I have known your principal for a very long time. The progress made by the school since having you at the helm is just phenomenal. I have personally witnessed that whenever task was assigned to APS Bolaram and the targets were fixed by you yourself, you have gone much beyond those targets that were set by you in consultation with your staff. Hats off to you. All the targets were executed with perfection, and I am sure a significant proportion of the credit must go to you as principal. For a great leader is the one that gets the team to do the greatest things. I must specifically compliment Brigadier Sarabjit Singh, Commandant 1 EME Center, for providing dynamic leadership from the management side to take the APS Bolaram to a totally different level. Last but not the least, the efficient functioning of the school is impossible to achieve without the help of the dedicated faculty members and the support staff. An organization can never be successful Without the often invisible and silent support of these members, and I heartily congratulate each one of them for their valuable contribution to the team's efforts. At this point, I am reminded of a quote which was very famously and quite often quoted by Mother Teresa, who once said, "None of us, including me, ever do great things. But we can all do small things with great love, and together we can do something wonderful." I think this holds true for any organization that is set out to achieve great things. APS Bolaram is destined by the God Almighty to have its alumni do and achieve great things. May God continue to shower you with success. I would like to once again heartily congratulate you all for all what you have accomplished so far, and wish good luck for future. All the best. Jai Hind.
Those were gracious words, sir. Thank you so much.
With passion to raise up your voice, to motivate others and let them clearly see just how amazing they can clearly be. Thank you, sir, for leading us with passion and heart. We are highly motivated and forever grateful to you, sir, for empowering and challenging us, enabling us to push the envelope to go higher and higher. We would now like to invite Mrs. Aruna Domati, a senior week coordinator, to propose the vote of thanks.
A very good morning to everyone present here. Honorable Patron, Major General R.K. Singh, General Officer Commanding Telangana and Andhra Sub-Area, Brigadier Sarabjit Singh, Chairman, Army Public School, Bolaram, and Commandant 1 Center, Principal Ma'am, esteemed guests, staff, and my dear students. It is my proud privilege to deliver a vote of thanks on this memorable day. On behalf of our principal, Mrs. Smita Govind, staff and students of Army Public School, Bolaram, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our patron, Major General R.K. Singh, General Officer Commanding Telangana and Andhra Sub-Area, for sparing his valuable time to be with us today. Sir, it was a pleasure working under your leadership. Your towering presence was always inspiring. Your reassuring words were stress-busting, and your constant support was highly motivating. On behalf of the entire APSB fraternity, I thank you for being a constant source of support and guidance in all our endeavors. In the words of John F. Kennedy, and I quote, "As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by." Unquote. And we promise you, sir, that we shall continue to strive to excel in all our future endeavors as you deemed us to be. Today, as you head towards a new beginning, may luck and success be with abundance of happiness be with you always. I also take this opportunity to thank our chairman, Brigadier Sarabjit Singh, Commandant 1 EME Center, and other esteemed guests for joining us today for this farewell meet. I extend my heartfelt thanks to 1 EME Center for proactively providing us with all the logistic support required for the smooth conduct of this event. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the students and staff who are involved in putting up this memorable program today. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे
Chief Guest and Patron, Major General R.K. Singh, General Officer Commanding Telangana and Andhra Sub Area, and all the distinguished guests to join us for a cup of tea.